If you have Alcantara seats in your car, you need to watch this because I'm about to show you the easiest way to safely clean them in just a few minutes. And by the way, whether you have actual Alcantara, Ultra Suede, Dynamica, or any other brand name synthetic suede-like seats in your car, this cleaning process will work for you. So here's the deal with Alcantara. It looks amazing, it feels premium, it offers great grip, but it's a dirt magnet. Oils from your skin, dust, crumbs, they all get trapped in these fibers. And if you clean it wrong, you'll flatten the texture and ruin that suede-like feel permanently. So let me first show you the right way to do this, and in just a minute, I'll show you the one mistake that ruins Alcantara forever.
Be sure your vacuum nozzle doesn't have any sharp edges. If it does, sand them down so it won't scratch the fabric. Vacuum any loose dirt from the seat surface. Be careful to open all seams and vacuum them out as you go. Now I've sped up the video and the timer in spots so you can see exactly how long this process takes. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description below. Then take a soft brush like this one from Sonax and gently brush the Alcantara in one direction. You're lifting all the surface dirt and restoring the nap of the fibers. Use light pressure. You're not scrubbing. You're gently brushing like you're brushing suede shoes. Go over the entire seat, especially the seams, bolsters, and center where you sit. This step alone makes a huge difference. Vacuum again to pick up all of the dirt, brushing freed up from the fibers. Now we're using Adams Suede and Alcantara cleaner, and here's the key. We're not spraying directly onto the seat. Instead, spray the cleaner onto your soft brush, just 2 or 3 sprays at a time. This gives us control and prevents oversaturating the Alcantara. Now gently work the brush into the Alcantara in straight lines. First, back to front, and then side to side, not in a circular motion. You'll see the cleaner start to lift the fibers, dirt, and oils. You'll need to add a couple more sprays to the brush as you move on to the rest of the seat. Go over the seat again, but this time brushing side to side, but again, in a straight line. Work in sections, do one seat at a time, so nothing dries with a wet edge. Next, take a clean and plush microfiber towel like this rag company, the Gauntlet, and gently blot, don't wipe, just press down to absorb and remove the dirty cleaner from the seat. You'll see all that dirt transferring to the towel. If your towel gets super dirty, flip to a clean side or grab a fresh one. The grime is coming out and you're restoring that Alcantara's texture. Once you've blotted up the moisture, let the seat dry and take your dry brush again and brush in one direction to fully restore the nap. This brings back that soft, suede-like texture and makes sure all the fibers are standing up properly. This is what keeps your Alcantara looking brand new. See how that texture comes right back? That's what we want.
So check out the difference. This seat went from grimy and flat to looking basically brand new. And feel this, that soft, grippy texture is back. This literally took me just a few minutes per seat. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more car cleaning tips just like this. So whatever you do, do not spray cleaner directly onto the Alcantara and scrub with a towel in a circular motion. This soaks the fabric, crushes the fibers, and creates shiny spots that might never come out. Click here to see how to quickly clean your car doors and all plastic interior surfaces, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments, add them down below. I read and respond to everyone.